Okay, so boom, bam, bop, boo. Yes, sir. So this is a update video on my thinning locks up top and me using my DIY growth oil or whatnot so I could get myself back thick up here. You see it were she been thicker than the wall in the top or whatnot. And that was from my black seed oil with coconut oil and rosemary and mint binding mask mixed together and put on the and Pantene leave-on conditioner in a water bottle spray for hydration or whatever. And even my hair has literally like flourished. I want to say it's almost an inch, I guess now at this point since I made that last video. I was looking and I seen that was like 5 months ago. So yeah, baby, it works. It works. I'm gonna leave a link to that other video down in the description so you can see what I was working with before I used my stuff, and from all of that retwisting I was doing, not listening to people, and done twisting my hair right up out my damn head, right up out of there. But yeah, so anyway, boom, moving on. So I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. So, child, yesterday I just woke up like this. It kind of scared me, and then I looked it up and realized what it is, which is called a subconjunctival, if I'm saying that correct. Um, um, blood vessel pop in my eye or whatever, and you know, I got high blood pressure. I always had that. Like, I really got uncontrolled high blood pressure. That's hereditary from my mom. When I say uncontrolled, that means that all the medicine I take, that shit don't work. Except for Clonidine, which is what they give you when you in a hypertensive crisis or whatnot. That's what they give you when you go to the hospital. So I have a prescription for that of my own to take when I check my blood pressure and see that it's a little bit too high, so I can take that and bring myself on down, and I don't gotta make no trips to the hospital. So that was my first thought, you know, that blood pressure ain't got so high, and bust my eyebrow, bust the vessel in my eyeball. God darn, y'all, it's sad, it's sad. So but then I was thinking, and then, but the night before, something got in my eye. And you know how, like, something just, like, start irritating your eye, and then you would start, like, rubbing it and whatever. That's what I was doing the night before. So I'm more than positive at this point that it came from that rubbing in the eye more or less than the high blood pressure or whatever. So, yeah, that's that. I ain't never had nothing like that before. They said that it'll go away on its own. It's nothing serious. I don't need to go to the doctor for it. It would just do like a regular bruise, and it's gonna get green and blue or whatever as it go away, and then it will just go back to normal. It's nothing to worry about. The worst part of it is what it look like and what people think when they see it. But I don't give a damn, because I know anybody beat my ass. Period. Period. And if they did, bitch, they I look like mine. Their face is gonna be all scrunched up and their jewelry gonna be off. Yeah. So yeah. I just want to know, do any of y'all have any of y'all ever experienced this or whatever? And what did you do? I have some Cystane eye drops or whatever that I've been using to keep them from itching and stuff, and I don't really see no difference. It's literally, it hasn't gotten any worse, it hasn't gotten any better. It just looked the same from when I first woke up, but it did had done threw your girl off real quick. I was like, oh Lord, what's going on? What is tea? What is tea? Scared me all the way out my little ritual this morning. I mean, not this morning, but yesterday morning, or what I was gonna do. But yeah, baby, the hair is bad. It's super thick. It need to be washed. So that's why it's like, it's almost like it's contained together or whatever, cause it's got product on it or whatever. But yeah, it's thick as hell right there, baby. But one thing about me and my bloodline or whatever, like I have grow fast as fuck. Like, if you don't fuck with it, you don't manipulate it, or whatever the case might be, and just kind of do like natural stuff where you ain't burning in it, you ain't combing in it, you ain't putting all these crazy ass chemicals in it or whatever. Try my shit flourish. It flourish, honey. Yes, ma'am. So that coupled with my little DIY, baby, I'm back in stride again. Period. Anyways, also I want to tell y'all, I'm doing my little social justice, digital activism or whatnot, which is what I've been doing the whole time. I just ain't even realize it because every time I got on here, I went on today. No matter what we was talking about, it made its way on over to social justice and things of that nature. So boom, that's boom bap boop bop. That's the Lord showing me. That's his tea. Like I should never let nobody tell me that that's not what I'm supposed to be doing and this and that. Not to say that they didn't, but I'm saying like they did. But in the comments, motherfuckers had to say whatever they gotta say. Oh, this, that, and that, and the third. But I knew that I was on what I was supposed to be on. Even back when I first started this channel, and some of the videos you can go watch and the shit that I was talking on long before any of this shit started popping up or whatever. So now I got it. Boom. Social justice, digital activism. That's why I am. That's what I'm doing. And I'm bringing it to you unapologetically or whatever. So you're going to start to see those type of videos. You're going to start to see me strategize and go find other creators that have the same mindset or is able to explain things in a way in which I know you can digest or whatnot. So yeah, you're going to see me doing a lot of duets or whatever the case might be because I'm going to strategically teach. You understand? I know that certain people is not going to be able to receive the message from me or whatever. So because I know that and I know these messages need to be out, then I know how to get them out there. You understand? So yeah, that's it and that's all. And like I said, this inside my little hair journey playlist or whatever. So I'm gonna drop the link to the original video what made me show y'all about my DIY, what I be using on my hair to make it grow because the bitch was bald head. Right up here you can see my whole scalp. You could see when I ain't have a reach with, honey. Yes, but that is no longer an issue, as you can see. Anyways, and then I'm also gonna start dropping more long form content because baby, it's time for me to ramp it up. To my just like everybody else. I really been noticing everybody been ramping up that little thing over here on YouTube. Okay, bitch, I see y'all because I'm finna do the same thing, and it's gonna be long form because shorts don't do nothing. I'm gonna still put out some shorts a little bit here and there, to move the algorithm around or whatever. But my main content is about to either be lives or long form content because we got to get this thing rolling. Hey. But anyway, love y'all, mean it. I know it's been a long time for my regulars. I ain't seen y'all, I ain't heard from y'all. Hope life is good for y'all. Hope everything good. Hope you just resting and chilling and living life stress free. And I love y'all, mean it. Love y'all. Damn. Period. Holla. Oh, and also tell me in the comments what you got going on, and how you feeling about the state of the world. Tell me in the comments, and I'll meet you down there. Bye.